How to fix DoorDash app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. You have to update the app. For that, open your app store. Now search for the app DoorDash. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Solution 2. Clear the cache for the app. For that, open your settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of general. Open the option iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app DoorDash. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 3. Completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, long press on your DoorDash app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. Once you delete this app, open your app store, search for the app DoorDash and install it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix DoorDash app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.